Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Saifur Rahman, the presenter and the commentator. We are here live from Nasser Polo Club, Hyderabad. It's the second day of the Nasser Independence Arena Polo Championship. The game will be played between Royal Stampede and Nasser School of Equestrian Arts. Both equally talented sides. We all hope to see a very exciting and a powerful game of polo. Salwa does the throw-in, the game begins. The first star being taken by the Nasser Polo team. It's Ahmed on the ball. Gets a nice near side flick in place. He still keeps, in fact, leaves it behind for Mehboob. Mehboob tapping it from the near side. Overrides this time. Amogh will capitalize. Pumps that one down the ground and ball goes out of play. Line up again quickly and plays the call. Taps further is Amogh. Amogh this time challenging Ahmed. Takes a tap. Overrides this time. It's Maz who gets there, turns his pony this time. Maz taps further again when overrides. Vedant will turn the ball. Amogh gets there somehow. This time taps further. Amogh with the ball. Amogh this time punches it nicely down the ground. It's Amogh on the way. Amogh should play the next shot. He does. He plays the next shot. Ball stops in the middle. It's again Mehboob who gets on the ball quickly. It's Mehboob who picks it up nicely from the near side. This time pushes it nicely. Overrides. This time Vedant gets there, plays the backhander. It's the ball coming off, hitting one of the ponies. It's Maz, it's Bhaskar. Bhaskar ready on the ball. Should play the backhander. He does. Vedant not checking his pony. Ball goes further up. It's now Mehboob again on the ball. Maz, beg your pardon. Maz who gets there, plays the nice near side forehand backhander. Maz turns quickly. The umpire blows the whistle. Looks like it was one of the players from the Royal Stampede. He got into the line. Ahmed will take the knock-in and he fires that one nicely. Ball goes wide of the goal mouth towards the right. It's Mehboob who gets there, waiting for the ball and puts it through for the first goal. Ladies and gentlemen, the Nasser School of Equestrian Arts opened their account with their first goal. Scored in less than a minute this time. Amogh promoting it nicely. Vedant not waiting for the ball. It's Vedant pushing his pony hard. Ball gets back again. Amogh shouting. Quick to turn on the ball is Ahmed. Ahmed gets there. This time taps it nicely. Amogh riding him off nicely. Amogh gets there. It's Amogh who misses the near side play of Ahmed with a nice under the belly shot. And was that a goal? No, that wasn't a goal. The ball going slightly wide of the goal mouth. It's this time Vedant who picks it up nicely from the near side. Vedant all the way. Vedant missing the near side forehander. Bhaskar ready, following him up nicely. Bhaskar this time with a nice near offside. Bhaskar this time taps nicely. Bhaskar with the ball this time promotes it nicely. Bhaskar riding hard. Bhaskar gets there. Ball very close, getting close to the goal mouth. Is Bhaskar trying to tap and turn. Amogh following Bhaskar nicely, gets there, but before him is Mehboob. Mehboob gets there. Vedant pushing his pony hard this time. Punches it nicely. Amogh gets there. Should be a goal. Amogh stealing it away from Ahmed. Flanks right, keeps the ball with him, taps further. He will be hustled here by Amogh and umpire blowing the whistle. Umpire spotted for the NSCA and drives elegantly. Mir Hafizuddin Ahmed, ball going in the direction of the goal. Ball goes slightly wide. Maz should play the backhander. Ball not going inside the goal mouth. Quick to turn on the ball is Amogh. Amogh this time punches it nicely down the ground. Amogh with the ball. Amogh this time driving it nicely, taking it all the way. Amogh this time playing very well. Ball going in the direction of the ball, hitting one of the side balls. Amogh checks his pony, leans out of the saddle, taps further and a whistle. 5-yard penalty and a goal. Easy pickings for Amogh. The second goal for Royal Stampede. There is the goal, and Ahmed promoting that beautifully for Mehboob. Mehboob this time taps further, doesn't keep control of the ball. It's Vedant who gets the ball. He should turn the ball like I see it from here. It's Vedant riding this time. Nice promotion from Maz. Ahmed following his players nicely from behind. Ahmed with the ball, plays the backhander, ball going wide of the goal mount. It's Amogh who takes a tap further. Amogh it is. Ahmed gets there first, plays the nice backhander. But Vedant is there to follow the ball. Vedant this time punching it nicely. That's a lovely pass to Amogh. Amogh this time promoting it beautifully for himself. Amogh this time riding hard. Ball going in the direction of the goal. Amogh Dagla taps. The ball getting stuck in that pool of water. It's Vedant following the ball nicely, and the ball goes in the direction of the goal. The third goal scored for the Royals, scored by the Royal Stampede. They take a lead of 2 goals in the first chakka between the team Royal Stampede. Plays the goal and the phenomenal pass. Somebody should capitalize on that. It's Mars riding hard. Mars should tap and Mars should score, and Mars does the scoring for NSEA. The second goal. Both the teams. Amogh keeps the ball with him, taps further. This time flanks right. Amogh with the ball. Checks his pony. This time trying to play the next shot. Doesn't keep control. Amogh still has the ball with him. Should play the next shot. The ball coming back to Amogh this time. A nice promotion for Vedant. Vedant on the line, and the umpire correctly blowing the whistle in favor of the orange team. Amogh this time lost his drive. Vedant slow to react, but Vedant will get going. In fact, Vedant overriding this time. It's Amogh who gets to the ball, but he will be challenged here by the NSEA. Ahmed following the ball nicely, watching the game nicely from behind. Oh, that's a nice hook by Vedant, who turns quickly, plays a lovely near side flick. Vedant on the ball. Vedant accelerating. Vedant gets there. Trying to play the near side, turns and plays the near side backhander. The ball comes off hitting one of the ponies. Nasa, it's Ahmed who gets there. Being written off by Bhaskar. Bhaskar missing the backhander, but Mars is there to follow him up. Mars following the ball nicely, and the umpire goes the whistle. And a 2-pointer. That is a 2-pointer, ladies and gentlemen. The NSEA taking a lead of 1 goal.
It's Vedant on the ball, and the first shooter being sounded. Ahmed trying to pick that up from the near side. Plays the ball, another 30 seconds to go. It's Mars following the ball nicely. Mars all the way. Mars should check his pony and tap, and Mars checks his pony. Ball going wide. Somebody will follow up the ball. Bhaskar, Vedant. Mars gets back again on the ball. The ball is still in the many players fighting for it. Amogh saving it for the orange team. It's again Mars on the ball. Trying to back it, but Vedant gets there first. And Amogh taps further. Ahmed will play the next shot, making space for NSEA. They don't want to goal in the last 30 seconds of the play. Ahmed gets there again, playing a role of a very important bat, and the second hooter, ladies and gentlemen. So the NSEA leads by 1 goal in the first chakka.
And the throw in the first half being taken by Rafiquddin Ahmed, who looks in a good position to score. That's a lovely deep neck shot, ball going in the direction of the goal, and that is a splendid goal by Ahmed. What a goal. The NSEA now taking a lead of 2 goals. That's a lovely and an excellent promotion by Vedant all the way, firing that up. He's being ridden off by Mars, Vedant. Riding this time to follow him is Bhaskar Reddy. Amogh will follow Bhaskar all the way. Bhaskar tapping it nicely. Bhaskar it is, who does the scoring. The 4th goal for the Royal Stampede. They're back in business and back in the game. Plays the call by the umpire. And the knock in by Ahmed, who taps half field. This time promotes it nicely. Ball going in the direction of the goal. It's Amogh who gets there, but overrides. Bhaskar fighting for the ball. Ahmed staying behind, and a goal. Very good follow, very competitive. Fighting it nicely. Vedant this time. Excellent promotion for Amog. Amog riding hard. This time should get to the ball. Amog taps further. Amog ball going in the direction of the goal. This should be a goal. Amog this time ball going wide of the goal mouth. It's Maz who was there to harass Amog. It's Maz who gets the ball back. It's Maz again. The ball settled in the corner side of the arena. It's Maz again who steals the show from the Royal Stampede. Maz this time being hooked by Amog. It's Vedant. Vedant who plays the near side backhander. Mehboob overriding Bhaskar. Should have checked his pony. Now turns quickly. Gets to the ball. Bhaskar being backhander by Mehboob. Amog overriding. Vedant following him up nicely. Taps further is Maz. Maz following it up nicely. Maz looks in a good position to score. Vedant also overriding Ahmed again, following the game and the ball. And Ahmed it is who does the scoring for NSEA. Easy pickings for NSEA this time, ladies and gentlemen. 3 goals. The pressure is now on Royal Stampede. It's Amog who takes the knock-in. Amog this time. What a lovely drive down the ground, but quick to follow the ball is Mehboob who gets there. Should play the backhander. Misses it. Follows the ball, but Bhaskar also overriding it. Amog again. Not able to keep control. Ahmed gets to the ball. Turns nicely. Ahmed this time. Taps nicely. Amog will challenge him. Amog will challenge him. Ahmed keeps the control of the ball. It's Vedant. The ball coming off, hitting one of the ponies. Amog riding hard. Amog gets there. It's Mehboob again who comes from behind. Plays a lovely neck shot. Vedant riding him off, and a lovely near side backhander from Vedant. Quick to turn on the ball is Amog. Amog this time riding hard. Looks nice drive down the ground. Ball goes wide. Checks his pony. Amog gets there. He has the advantage of the ball. Amog this time. This time it's Amog. Amog and the whistle. Player standing in front of the player, and that will be a goal. And Amog trying to get the 2-pointer, but manages to get 1. So Royal Stampede scoring 5 goals. Ahmed nicely following the ball, following the game, drives elegantly. It's Mehboob who gets there. Oh, what a lovely pass. Excellent play. Sick work by Mehboob. Mehboob turns the ball. It's Bhaskar harassing Mehboob. Deep neck shot missed by... It's Vedant who gets to the ball. Amog this time. It's Ahmed who turns with the ball, drives, and that will be a goal. Amog drives nicely. This time overriding and missing the ball. Quick to turn on the ball is Bhaskar. This time he will play the backhander. Vedant follows the ball nicely, turns nicely. This time it's Bhaskar. Bhaskar trying tap. Vedant quick to turn. Ahmed gets the better of Vedant, and this time fires that one up beautifully. Ball goes slightly wide. It's Maz who gets to the ball first, but not able to keep control. Vedant stealing that one from Maz. It's Vedant again, riding hard, pushing his pony. This time Vedant with a lovely near side neck shot. It's Vedant who turns quickly, but Mehboob gets the better of Vedant and turns. Vedant gets to the ball, plays the backhander. Bhaskar. Amog following the ball nicely. Amog and Maz this time again overriding. Vedant gets to the ball, plays the near side, trying to play the near side neck shot. This time has the control of the ball. It's Vedant. Vedant drives nicely. Ball goes very wide. It's Vedant who gets to the ball, has the advantage of the ball. It's Vedant. The backhander from one of the players from NSEA. It's again Amog who gets to the ball. Amog gets there. It's Maz who plays a lovely near side flick. Amog riding hard. Maz has the ball control. Maz this time overriding on the ball. Vedant checks his pony but doesn't keep control. It's Ahmed who follows the ball nicely, plays a nice neck shot. Ball going in the direction of the goal. The first hooter being sounded. Ahmed gets there, and this will be the end of the second jugger, ladies and gentlemen.